Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the specifications of LENOVO V15. To find your device's specifications, open Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings, select System on the sidebar and then scroll all the way down this menu to About. Open the About menu and here you'll find all of your device's specifications. Below you will also find your Windows specifications, and if you want to learn more about your device's hardware, you have to right-click the taskbar and go to Task Manager. In the Task Manager, select the Performance tab on the sidebar, and here you can find all the detailed information about each of your device's hardware elements. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.